Saturday morning, guys. It's Dmitry here, and today I'm really pumped because it's another tutorial from the series of SQL Crash Course. Awesome! And today I'm especially excited because, guys, I'm going to talk about stuff that I promised you to talk about before. So, I'm going to discuss, I'm going to start from right join functionality, right? Right join operator. And I would like to warn you guys, this particular tutorial is going to be a bit complicated because I'm going to discuss about quite complex operators. And just stay focused, try to understand it. And again, if you don't understand something, just like rinse and repeat. Just try to repeat, rewatch the video, and just stay focused on part that you don't understand, like in order to understand them, of course. Okay, let's move on. Select everything from table companies, and let's use right join functionality, employees table, on keyword on companies table .id equal, and I'm going to explain you guys what's going on here. I'm sure that some of you probably already kind of guessing based on what I told you in the previous tutorial, but still. Okay, let's run it. So, alright, first thing first, right join functionality, right join operator is completely, like the behavior of this operator completely opposite to left join operator behavior. So in this case, on the left hand side, the table companies. On the right hand side, companies, employees. It's important to understand it, right? And in this case, only the matched data going to be selected for table companies, and it's going to be selected or matched based on this condition, where companies table .id, which is the column of this company's table, equal to or will be matched with the company IDs in the table employees, right? So, and that's, but on the right side in the employees table, the whole table data, the whole table data going to be selected. And so we can see here, right? 1,000 rows of data, right? Which is exactly the whole all rows of this employees table was selected. But in case of the companies table, only the matched stuff or the matched data was selected. You can see here. Pretty cool, guys. Hope you understood it. It's just completely opposite behavior to left join operator. Okay, guys, let's move on. Now I would like to discuss about another operator, and this operator is called, it's a keyword in. And keyword in, okay, let's type first and then we're going to discuss about that. Select from companies, where country in, for instance, in the Indonesia and Thailand. Sweet. So guys, this in operator, the usage of this operator is highly underestimated. What I found from my experience as a software developer, I use it constantly, and it's super duper useful keyword. So idea is here in this brackets, you can see like there are two strings, and essentially you can treat like what inside of these brackets is a array of things, array of items. And what we're going to say, please select everything from companies table where country's name equal to one of these names, right? In this case it's either Indonesia or Thailand, and I can specify as many items as possible, right, in order to match all of them. And you can see here it just country that was selected, just or columns that the selected stuff or filter stuff with the countries Indonesia or Thailand. That's it. Pretty awesome, guys. Let's move on. Okay, the next operator, also quite important, and also it would take some time to understand it, right? So select thing from, select everything from companies, I guess. Full out join employees on companies dot id equal to employees dot company id. Alrighty, guys. So full auto join, it's another type of join functionality, and in this case, based on this condition, the whole data from the left hand side and right hand side, or from the right table and from the left table, going to be selected or matched. So, and you can see it's usually returning a huge chunk of data. Be careful with this kind of operators. You can see like the original data was like 1000 rows per table, and now in total it's almost 2000 rows, right? So hope you understood it, and be careful, again, be careful with the join, because it's return everything based on this condition, all the data from the both tables. Okay, next one, guys. Next one is, it's called keyword any, and another good one. Let's jump, select from companies where id equal to any, and let's specify select company id from employees where companies dot id equal to employees dot company id. Hopefully it's going to work. Cool. So this one, guys, right? The most important thing is this key operator any. So what I'm saying here is select everything from table companies where id column in this table companies equal, or going to like equal to anything that selected from table employees, not everything, like where company id column data that's selected from table employees, and based on this condition, right? So essentially, based on this condition, whole IDs of this column in this table going to be selected, and they going to be assigned to this, and they should be equal to this ID, right? It's like a bit complex, condition, I guess. It's where and where, double where, right? But the idea is this ID oh, this thing should be equal to this thing. Just treat it as another thing that should be equal to this one, right? And in total, this is the condition, right? But because this part, it's also kind of subcondition, that's why you have to understand like this subcondition also should be equal to that. But in total, it's the whole thing is condition, right? And it's using any, where any it can be, as it says, it's self-explanatory. It can be any, right? Anything from this column, company ID of this table, where companies.id equal to employees company ID. Yeah, simple with that, guys. If you didn't get it, just rewatch it, guys. So I think it's enough for today, guys. It was a bit complex, but hopefully you guys got it. And I'm still really excited about this tutorial. It's going to be really helpful, like in your everyday experience as a software developer. And please use them. Please try to understand them. And if you understand them, just try to tell others to use them. They're really useful tools. And thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe if you like my tutorials, and I'm keep on going, posting new tutorials, and I always try to do my best, as I always say. So thank you, guys, and enjoy your weekends, and take care. See you later. Bye.